Mutongoria wa kiama kia AKENYA Karua na ugitewe atukumakuane imakania siasa wa ukaria wa ndani tawe Profesa Kithure Kindiki ya kuregana na maandamano wakiugaga ni kiato kia muntu wonde kikatiba kurutha maandamano mathiri na NORITIE ya Kenya meumerie na wingi ni kenda kuregana na yendekithia financial bill ya mwaka wa 2023 Anthony Kadenya gatumenyithie.
Ntukuwe mwitu nyume waziri wa wikaria Profesa Kithure Kindiki kunenkanela mukana kibande indega na thirikari ya azimio na kuga thirikari titikiria maandamano mawenyange kuthithika popopo kijaga nyume bandeni azimio kueleithia atikethero wabunge bagetu ke muswado akigina wa mwaka wa 2023 ngwataniro eno ikethero kiuthorani ya Kenya basokera maandamano. Umwatongole kilingwatanire ne azimio ureno wa mutongerio kiama kia AKENYA Karua ende ni asokerete Profesa Kindiki Karole akwalagi kire musemanio na AKENYA mwanya kire monto makoni na muswadojo nerithitete gutimigambo no eko kumake waziri Kindiki ikaingira AKENYA kuyeleithia gwitukira maandamano o tabule katiba ya ndeno egwetikiria.
If you are talking of CS for Interior, he is not our advisor, our legal advisor. We are capable of reading the Constitution and interpreting it for ourselves, and our rights will not be curtailed by shrill threats from people in office. I have said people can exercise their sovereignty, and no amount of threats will change the fact that the Constitution does give us right to express ourselves, to picket, to demonstrate, and to express ourselves in every legal way, and we will.
Karua ne NORITIE ya Kenya wona kagitaka kinya beumiri na inya nene na kuregana na muswadojo.
Since everything done by any state officer is done in the name and for the citizen, it is our duty as citizens to interrogate this budget, tell members of parliament which way they should go, and if it is not adjusted to the satisfaction of the citizen, then the citizen has to exercise their sovereignty.
Mweno ogu AKENYA balaba kinyira kile musemano jwa Karua ni bele ithitie na kuweta kwino bataru munene wa Kenya kwalilia muswadojo hamuna kuthikirua kenda mama mauntu mareba kwegua batuko watanira namo mathithiro garoroku.
People want more than just the listening, to see that whatever comments we put in are given due consideration and obviously explanations given for whatever outcomes we have.
In a nutshell, Wanjiku has said no to the bill. So we are going home, they are knowing that we are saying no to the bill. We are telling the MPs, we are the ones who pay them. And we are telling them to go there and say no to the bill because that is the take of Wanjiku.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa Kadenya.